Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is October 30th, 2020, and to some people they call today Halloween Eve. Looking at homework for this weekend, we need to finish our pickpocketing pirate activity in math. We also have practice 6.3 for the accelerated class. If you are in math, your 30 minutes of Moe Max is due by 3 p.m. today, which is at the end of Warrior time, as we head home for the weekend. In science, there is no homework. However, the accelerated class does have a mineral quiz on Monday. Social studies, language, arts, and literature have no homework. However, you can always be reading. In careers in life in FCS 6, there is no homework. A couple of things, just a couple of reminders. Number one, kids, have a safe and happy Halloween tomorrow when you're out trick-or-treating. You can get lots of candy, and Mr. Sperling does like Reese cups, so if you want to bring those in, I'm sure it would be awesome. All right. But all things aside, don't forget that this weekend, daylight savings time ends. We set our clocks back Saturday night and into Sunday for an hour, so we get an extra hour of sleep this weekend. And also, beginning on Monday, we are going to have a new bell schedule. The bell schedule we've used this year is the COVID bell schedule. We will be returning to our typical normal bell schedule that we've had in the past. That's it for today. Everyone have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you in November.